Alright, portable blenders. Want the best for smoothies? I've reviewed top models using product data and user feedback. They're game changers for busy, on-the-go life. Perfect for gym-goers, small spaces, health-conscious folks. Focus on battery, motor, cup capacity, and easy cleaning. Check links for pricing and comment what you're getting. Number 5. Tiny kitchens meet their match with this streamlined single-serve blender from Hamilton Beach. The compact frame slips into tight spaces, making it a practical pick for apartment dwellers or office desks. Based on specifications and user feedback, it blends directly inside a travel cup, so you can whip up a smoothie and head out the door without extra dishes. That design also means cleanup is quick. Just rinse the cup and lid. For those who want healthy drinks in seconds, the motor is built for everyday ingredients like bananas, berries, and yogurt. Testing reports show it may not match the raw power of a full-size countertop model, so frozen blocks might need a little thawing or extra shaking. Cup capacity targets one person, which is great for portion control but not ideal for families. A standout perk is the availability in multi-packs of 2 or 4. According to product data, buying a set offers good value and makes sharing with a gym buddy or partner easy. Battery performance varies with usage, so check current specs before purchase. Overall, this is a good choice for travelers and small space living, especially worth considering if you prioritize convenience over large batches. Number 4. Instead of a bulky motor, this model brings a compact magnetic base and a sleek helical whisk that sits neatly on your counter. According to product data, its stepless variable speed control lets you dial in texture from gentle stirs to rapid frothing with a single thumb button. Testing reports highlight stable low RPM for quiet, controlled steaming and high-speed bursts that create microfoam and chilled froth in around 10 seconds, which may support quick, barista-style drinks at home. The intuitive one-touch operation covers start, speed modulation, and stop, reducing fiddling with multiple settings. A helical whisk design is said to encourage consistent aeration and microbubbles, potentially useful for latte art. Keep in mind that compact power units can struggle with thicker blends compared to full blenders, and cleaning, while generally easy, may require careful attention around the whisk base. For users valuing a small footprint, minimalist operation, and textured drinks beyond simple blending, this frother offers great value and is worth considering as a compact kitchen companion. Number 3. I've been really enjoying this little bottle-style blender. It makes throwing in some fruit and greens for a quick personal smoothie totally effortless, and cleanup is a breeze. It's ideal for busy people or anyone who travels a lot, since it's portable and keeps your countertop clear. The build feels solid and leak-resistant, so I can confidently shove it into a gym bag or use it at my desk without dealing with spills or a million parts to scrub. The motor handles most things well, though if you're blending frozen ingredients, it can be a bit hit or miss depending on what setting you use. I appreciate the simple one-touch operation, and the cup is just the right size, big enough for a satisfying drink, but still easy to carry. For a small kitchen or just everyday convenience, this single-serve blender is genuinely a great little find. Number 2. When it comes to practical performance, sleek and compact, this personal blender fits easily into a bag for busy mornings or post-gym refreshment. Based on specifications and user feedback, the Nutribullet Personal Blender focuses on efficient single-serving blending, which may support quick smoothie routines on the go. According to product data, it includes a 600-watt motor and a 600 milliliters cup, offering a balance of power and capacity for lighter recipes. Plus, the 6-piece Nutribullet set adds versatility for different mixing needs. Many reviews highlight reliable delivery and responsive seller service, contributing to a worry-free purchase experience. The streamlined design and dishwasher-friendly parts make cleaning straightforward, though very thick blends might require proper technique or lighter batches. For health-conscious professionals and travelers in small spaces, this blender offers great value as a compact solution for on-the-go nutrition. It is worth considering if you prioritize portability, easy storage, and straightforward single-cup results. As with any portable blender, results can vary with ingredient choice and usage, so expectations should align with the intended single-serving purpose. Number 1. Sleek and compact, This personal blender fits easily into a bag or small kitchen. Based on specifications and user feedback, the Ninja Nutri-Plus Personal Blender offers a 900 peak watt push-to-blend motor that may support breaking down frozen fruit and ice for smoother textures. According to product data, it includes multiple cups so blending, sipping, and on-the-go portability stay convenient, with a design built to simplify cleanup. This setup may suit health-conscious consumers, gym-goers, office workers, frequent travelers, and anyone living in compact spaces who wants quick smoothie solutions without hauling a full-size blender. Offers great value for its class, though blending times can vary with ingredient thickness and cup selections. Generally worth considering for those balancing power, capacity, and easy storage in one bundle. Keep in mind that battery runtimes and precise speeds depend on usage patterns and supply components. Portability, simple operation, and thoughtful cup choices make this an option for smaller kitchens and active routines, as long as expectations stay practical and balanced. As you compare these portable blenders, focusing on battery life, motor strength, and easy cleaning helps narrow the choice. Smoothie lovers appreciate cup versatility, while travelers and small space dwellers value compact designs that simplify busy mornings. Speeds and jar materials vary, so consider what feels simplest to maintain day to day. Performance depends on usage frequency and charging habits, so expectations should align with real routines. These models offer different balances of price and features, each worth considering for on-the-go nutrition. Check the links below for current pricing and details.